Hello everyone, welcome to the LMP Sparkles channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do your own glitter wall art. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button below so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Feel free to comment if there's any videos you want me to do, especially for my viewers, or just to ask a question. Don't miss the special giveaway on Amazon gift card sent to you by email once I reach the 500 subscribers. So please follow the rules below. First, you must subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment done in the comments below. Okay, so let's start. First, you will need the Mod Podge, a canvas, a ruler, the painter's tape, and also any glitter of your choice. Like you see, I got the Arteza glitter, which is a glow-in-the-dark glitter bought from Amazon. I'll put the link below so you can purchase it if you'd like. Okay, so I used pink as my color, so I go slightly brushing it slowly, like you see. Once I finish this quote, I usually do a second quote. Don't forget the sides, and just go and make sure there's no like extra paint on the canvas. Like I said, the canvas, like I do a small coat. At the end, I'm going to do like about 3 to 4 quotes in order for the canvas to absorb the paint. Also, what you could do is use gesso, which gesso is a good paint to use to a good base to use before you actually apply paint, instead of using 3-4 coats of paint. If you would like to see a video of me applying the gesso on the canvas before applying the paint, please comment below and I'll be glad to do it for you. Now I'm applying the second coat to my canvas, so it actually absorbed more the pink paint. Always don't forget to paint the sides of the canvas so you can actually have it all even. And this is the final quote once the canvas is all painted. That's how it looks like. Now, the next step is to add the glitter. Now, if you could see, I did a line of 1 inch in between the middle of the canvas so I can put the glitter on. So now I'm applying the Mod Podge. It doesn't matter if you actually put it like I did a bit on the extra side, because you're still gonna put glitter the way I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be fine. If not, you could just use a little of a wet paper towel and just wipe it off. So now what I did is I did some kind of like wave style to add the Mod Podge. Again, if it's not with the first coating, if it's not what you like, you're always going to be put more. So now I'm putting the silver glitter. Then I'm taking a piece of paper and putting it under so I can remove any excess glitter there is. So if you don't like the way it looks, then what you could do is you could add extra strands of Mod Podge so you can add more glitter. Don't forget the sides though. And again, make sure you do it under your paper so when you actually finish with the glitter, you actually put it back on the in the bottle so you don't waste any glitter. Et voila, that's the final stuff. Then when it's done, I'm gonna put a coat all over the canvas of Mod Podge. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.